Hey there everyone, it's me Ilham and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I last uploaded. Anyway, I'm back with the final episode of All Things BSPWM. And also the reason why I disappeared from YouTube for the past month is because I was sick. I explained everything in the short I uploaded a few days ago. Anyway, today's episode is going to be about setting up everything I didn't set up. Such as, give me a sec. Okay, good. Such as Pulse Audio, which is our audio manager, brightness control, and a screenshot utility. So first of all, let's install our audio manager. The audio manager I'm going to be installing is going to be Pulse Audio because it's the most stable one out there at the moment. And well, Pulse Audio is actually a front end to ALSA, the Linux sound system, which makes it easier to deal with certain things, in particular switching audio sources dynamically as well as most Bluetooth headsets, which is pretty cool if I'm being honest. So to install Pulse Audio on Arch, it's extremely simple, and it's by default it is in Ubuntu, and yeah, it should be in every single distro's repositories. So let's install Pulse Audio and then alsa-utils and pulseaudio-alsa for wireless headset support. Personal experience, by the way. And as it installs, be sure to let me know how your day's been going in the comments down below. And there you go. The packages have finished installing. Let's enable Pulse Audio by, Pulse Audio --start and rebooting our system. Also, I disabled the display manager because it takes a long time to start on a virtual machine. And as you know, I'm not on a virtual machine. Also, what the heck is that glitch? Holy cow. Wow. Okay then, okay. Never mind, I think it was just glitching out. Audio driver. Video driver. Anyway, as you can see, Polybar has detected the pulse, Polybar has detected Pulse Audio and was able to finally make use of the Pulse Audio module, which is in the config. Now, let's add a few hotkeys to our SXHKDRC, that config, SXHKD, SXHKDRC. And now let's scroll all the way down, and as you can see, I already have set up these things to save some of your time. So it is XF86 raise volume for mixers for increasing our volume, which is mixer set master 5% plus, and then XF86 audio lower volume, which is actually for this key, and then that is mixer set 5% minus, our volume lower key, and then the XF86 audio mute, which is mixer set master mute unmute. So let's see if it works. And as you can see, it does. It also mutes and unmutes. Now, and if you guys have just added this in your SXHKDRC, be sure to reload it using super escape. Now, for the screenshot utility, I'll be using scrot today, although you could use main. And if I recall correctly, scrot is in pretty much every distribution's repositories to install. And as you can see, it's pretty straightforward installing scrot. And also, if scrot isn't in your distro's repositories, you can build it from source by cloning the GitHub repository. I'll be sure to leave a link of scrot's repo in the description down below. This shouldn't take that long to install. As you can see, that was fast. Now, as I showed you before, scroll all the way down and add hashtag screenshot and then add print for our PRTSC, aka print screen key, and then add this scrot -s and then -- line mode equals to edge, and then home, pictures, screenshots, %y dash percent lowercase m dash percent lowercase d, and then underscore percent h percent m percent s, and then dash $sign wx $sign h underscore scrot.png. And as I said before, reload sxhkd. And now, before we actually do anything, let's install a file manager. I'll be installing Thunar, which is XFCE's file manager. Now, let's also create a directory called, as you saw in our sxhkd, make directory home pictures and then screenshots, if I can even spell. There you go. Now, as you can see, if we hit print screen, this print screen key in our keyboard, the cursor changes. Now let's test out by taking a screenshot of the entire screen. And now let's open Thunar and see if it has actually taken a screenshot or not. Wait, no, that's the wallpapers directory. And it has, which is absolutely amazing. Okay, so now for our brightness control, I'll be installing a package called brightnessctl, but you could also, I mean, there's brightnessctl is the only good one in my opinion. I'm not sure if it's, in other distros repos, but it is in the Arch repos. I'll be sure to leave a link to their GitHub repository in the description down below. As I was talking, I also finished installing brightness control. Setting it up is pretty straightforward. Just add hashtag brightness and then next line and then xf86 mon brightness. My bad. xf86 mon brightness up, down, and then that's going to be brightnessctl set and then 355 curly bracket. Just copy whatever I wrote here. Now let's exit and reload sxhkd. Now I can't actually show you guys from my screen recorder, so what I'll be doing is switching to my phone in 3, 2, 1. Now then, now I'm on my phone and let's test out brightness control. As you can see, these are my hotkeys. So, yeah, that works. Nice. So yeah, guys, that's basically it for this video and as well as the series. If you guys found this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upload. And that's also going to help me grow in the Unix tubing community. Be sure to comment what you'd like to see in the future regarding this series or anything else, to be honest, regarding Unix and free and open source software. Anyway, have a good day or evening, folks, and I'll see ya next time. Peace.